To create a wedding website on Wix. Start by going to the Wix website and clicking on the Get Started button. Choose a template that suits your wedding theme from the available options. And then select Create a Site. Next, choose a template that you like and click on Edit to start customizing it. Replace the placeholder text with your own information, including your names, wedding date, and location. Add your wedding story, including how you met and got engaged. To make the site more personal, use the Wix editor to customize the design and layout of your site. Choose a color scheme and font that match your wedding theme, and add images and videos to make the site more engaging. Create separate pages for different sections of your site, such as an RSVP page, a gift registry page, and an accommodations page. Add a contact page where guests can send you messages and RSVP to your wedding. You can also add a blog to your site to keep your guests updated on your wedding planning progress. Make sure to include all the important details, such as the wedding schedule, dress code, and parking information. You can also add a map to your site to help guests find the wedding venue. Once you have finished customizing your site, click on the Publish button to make it live. Share the link to your site with your guests, either by email or on social media, and make sure to include it on your wedding invitations. By following these steps, you can create a beautiful and functional wedding website on Wix that will keep your guests informed and excited about your special day. Remember to keep your site updated and to check it regularly to ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date.